Hello everyone! Today I will analyze this grammatical error in this short story by using 5 color, 5 specific linguistic roles. And each color represents 5 linguistic roles. It contains IP movement, complementary distribution, subcategorization, overt case assignment, and CP subject auxiliary. So let's start with yellow, which represents IP movement. In linguistics, discover subject-verb agreement and tense inflection. The first spot we see a traveler and a boy was wandering. This sentence contains 2 subjects, a brave traveler and a quiet boy. So this verb should be were wandering along a mountain path. The second spot is but the night were becoming colder and darker. It should be the night was becoming colder and darker because the night is a singular, so the verb should agree with the subject. And the last yellow is the river shine under the moonlight. The shy is a present tense, but the short story use past tense, so the verb should be past. So the river shone under the moonlight. Our next is green. Green represents complementary distribution. So the error is they did not know where the word would lead them. In English, you cannot have 2 markers for the same function in the same spot. Since did already carries the past tense, knew must stay in its bed from know. Similarly, is and reminds are both finite verbs trying to occupy the same functional slot. So the complementary distribution has 2 error spots that did not know where the word would lead them, and the bridge reminds me of a place from my childhood. Finish green one. So I will start with the third one. A light blue. It contains subcategorization or verb pattern. Every verb has a social circle. It dictates what kind of word can follow it. So the error is ask that dare to follow it through the volley. The verb are subcategorized for an object plus an infinitive. By inserting that, the writer violates the specific structural requirement that the word asks demand, so it can change to ask them to follow it. The next is the pink one, overt case assignment. There are 2 error spots in the pink one. This is about the costume. A pronoun words were based on its job in the sentence. The error one is because me remember something important. In English, subject must be in a nominative case, while objects are in accusative case. Here, the writer used object costumes for subject role. So I will change because me remember to because I remember, and them walk slowly to they walk slowly. And the last is CP subject auxiliary. The orange deal with the CP layer, specifically subject auxiliary inversion. The error is why you are leading us here. In the direct question, the auxiliary verb must leapfrog over the subject to move into the C position. To fit this, it must be Why are you leading here? Finish this presentation by using this 5 color. We move beyond simple proofreading. You can see that grammar isn't just a list of those and doesn't, but a logical system of movement, case, and categories. So this color code make it more easy and understand. Thank you for watching.